Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you what is our process details item wise report. So for that let us go to our reports module. On your left hand side panel you will see reports module. Click on this now. Once I will come in reports module, I can very well go to production report by clicking on this production. So these are all of my production related report. So as you can see, here is the product process detail item wise report. So basically this particular report provide you current status of processes along with item wise detail of production. You can see that the details are written over the report itself. I need to click on generate report. I will select the filter as per my requirement. Also I can select the filter as per my process ID and process status. You can select multiple processes as per requirement, or you can directly generate the report. So I will generate the report directly. Now once I generated the report, these are all my process IDs which are created, and this is my process detail item wise. Now here on your left hand side you can see there is a column selection option. You can select the column as per your requirement. Now once I will go in this report, please check. Here it will provide you a quick visibility of your production like item ID, item name, item type, product category, estimated quantity, quantity produced, and quantity consumed. So always do remember that estimated quantity, quantity produced, and quantity consumed refers your finished good and raw material. So estimated quantity will be of finished good and raw material, but quantity produced will only be of finished good, and quantity consumed will be of raw material. So if I take example of the very first item, so this is my finished good, and these two three are my raw materials. So in the finished good the quantity is produced, and in raw material the quantity is consumed. You can check the price, total value, and execution time, execution date of the production process, and exactly where this production process is currently lying. So is it in WIP, is it in completed or pending? You can also check that how much testing pending quantity is available. Also, as I mentioned, that you can select multiple columns. So from your left hand side you can see BOM name, BOM ID, each and every detail you will get here. So suppose I want BOM ID as well, so I selected it, and now going towards the very last you can see the BOM number of this particular production process. So this refer that this BOM have been used in this production process. So this is how you can check your process detail item wise report, and these are details will be available in your process details. You can very well go ahead and download it in Excel as well. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you while checking process detail item wise report. Have a good day ahead.